Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to connect an RGB LED strip using an RGB controller and amplifier. We start by preparing the setup. We'll need an RGB amplifier, since the controller only sends the signal while the amplifier provides the power. First, we connect the LED strip according to its color coding, black for the positive line, then blue, red, and green. The order itself doesn't matter as long as it's the same on both ends. Next, we look at the module. It's clearly marked which side connects to the PIERRE and which side connects to the RGB amplifier. We begin by connecting the VCC, then blue, red, and green outputs. After that, we connect the module to the PIERRE controller. The module requires a 12-volt power supply, a ground connection, and one configurable I/O pin. We connect the ground, the 12-volt power, and in this case, use the 6th configurable I/O pin. Once everything is wired, we power up the controller. We also connect power to the RGB amplifier. Both 12 or 24 volt can be used depending on the LED type. We connect the ground and then the 12 volt. Now, we open the partner application, select the controller, go to Configurable I/O, choose Add and select RGB Light. We name it RGB Light, assign it to the Academy dashboard, and select the pin, in our case, pin 6. Then we save and submit. Next, we open the user application. As we can see, the RGB LED strip appears immediately. We can turn it on and off, adjust brightness, and select any color from the full color spectrum. There are also preset options for the basic colors. And just like that, our RGB lighting setup is ready. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.